Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluidart Express. Up first, you would have seen our very special guest this week, Shelli Anderson from Shelli Anderson Art. She is absolutely amazing. There'll be a link in the description. Go check her out. She's absolutely fantastic. So thank you, Shelli, for being our very special guest this week. We absolutely love you to bits. So, what I decided to do this week was, I'm just going to have a bit of fun. This is what I usually do during the day. I'll just hit record on the camera and make things up as I go along. And a lot of the times you get to see the videos like either on the Express or Student versus Teacher or something like that. All the ones that actually work. The ones that don't, there's no point showing you because they didn't work. So I'll show you a couple that actually did work. Alrighty, check them out.
try to tie me down, you could try to wear me out, put me out in the rain, just gas on a flame. And you can't control, but you can't control. You could try to tame the wild, you could try to blame this child, try to medicate me, call it ADHD. But you can't control, but you can't control. Ooh, don't you know that you can't tame a cageless soul? Well, you got to let it go. This kind of love is a wild animal, and you can't tame a cageless soul. You try to keep me in the lines, I just wanna go outside, take the long way home, find it on my own. But you can't control, but you can't control. Ooh, don't you know that you can't tame a cageless soul? But you got to let it go. This kind of love is a wild animal, and you can't tame a cageless soul. Oh, no. Quit trying to blame me. Can't keep a line in the living room and act like it isn't. Oh, this kind of love, quit trying to blame me. Can't keep a line in the living room and act like it isn't. Oh, this kind of love, No, you can't tame a cageless soul. What you got to let it go. This kind of love is a wild animal. Don't you know that you can't tame a cageless soul? But you got to let it go. This kind of love is a wild animal, and you can't tame a cageless soul. Can't keep a line in the living room and act like it isn't. Oh, this kind of love,
timeless effect. Together we're unshaken in our element. With you I'm not afraid to experiment. A risk I'll gladly take over again. Just think of you, me, us, we, all hot, heavy. You, me, us, we, pure lust instinct. You, me, us, we, all hot, heavy. We got that chemistry, mixture of you and me. I'm on a high dose of emotion, our chemical potion. Got that chemistry,
I'd move the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I'd put your love on my life. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Love the risk, but what is this coming to? Oh, your love is dangerous. You make it dangerous. This is dangerous love.
Alright guys, I'll do a flyover of that one. Man, I love those interference colours all through that. That's absolutely nuts. So, what I usually do is, I'll just have a bit of a play day, come up with all sorts of crazy things, and if they turn out good, bonus! You get to see them. If they don't, you don't. So, alright guys, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, hit like, share and subscribe to ring that notification bell. Ding ding! That way you get to see all this crazy stuff as I release it. Up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So just click on her name in the title of this video, it'll take you to her channel. Or if you're in the live chat, click on the link that I put in there, it'll take you directly to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, just use the play all list, it plays everybody on the Fluid Art Express one after another. Easiest way, you don't get lost. Alright guys, have fun, take care, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.